So how do you use peppermint essential oil for congestion? Well, in this video, I'll be sharing with you a few different ways to do just that, coming up. Hey, what's up? Belinda here is the Oil Coach, bringing you tips, tricks, and ideas for using your essential oils so you can live healthier, happier lives. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. And hey, anytime during the video, feel free to check out show notes and links in the description below where I will share some additional helpful resources. Now let's jump into the video. All right, so the first way to use peppermint for congestion, and probably the most obvious way, is to drop a drop or two of peppermint oil into your hands, rub them together, and then cup them around your nose and mouth, okay? Careful not to get it into your eyes, as that will be a little bit uncomfortable, okay? So you cup it around your nose and mouth, and you breathe it in deeply. All right, I love this particular way. It works really awesome. So the second way is to diffuse peppermint. So you grab a diffuser of your choice, drop a few drops of the peppermint into it, and turn it on in a room where you're gonna be for a while the diffuser is running, okay? A quick note, if you don't have a diffuser of your own yet, I'll post a link of some of my favorite diffusers in the description below. All right, the third way of using peppermint for congestion is to massage 2 or 3 drops along with a carrier oil onto your chest. And the fourth and final way that I'll be covering today is a steam cup. So you take a cup of steaming, not quite boiling water, and you drop 2 drops of the peppermint oil into the cup and inhale slowly. And if you want to really boost the power of the steam cup, add 2 drops of Melaleuca oil, 2 drops of lemon oil, and 2 drops of oregano oil along with those 2 drops of peppermint, okay? This steam cup has really helped my family when we're dealing with congestion. All right, I hope you got great value out of this video and that you will find awesome benefits from using your peppermint essential oil for congestion. And actually, if you're brand new to essential oils and would like to try out one of my favorite oils, hop over to theoilcoach.net or check out the link in the description below where you can get one of my favorite essential oils for free. All you have to pay is a small shipping and handling fee, and I'll get that sent right out to you. So question of the day, which of these ways of using peppermint for congestion would you like to try first? Let me know in the comments section below. So thanks for checking out this video. Subscribe and ring the bell if you haven't yet. And if you'd like to check out other videos of my peppermint tip series, just click or tap the screen right there. For another video from the Oil Coach, just click or tap the screen right there. Until next time, here at the Oil Coach, we're bringing you the best tips, tricks, and ideas for using your essential oils so you can live healthier, happier lives. Take care, and we will talk soon.